Hello everyone, my name is Sanket Joshi. I am the convener of Operations Forum. So why Operations Forum, or why did I join on the Operations Forum? When you ask me this question, the only answer I get is the passion for operations. I always had the thing for operations and the inclination towards operation. In fact, the subject which I had during my first term, I was more inclined towards the operations subject. So this is about myself. Then what is Operations Forum? So Operations Forum is basically an academic committee which comes under the operations department. It was established in 2009. The main objective of this committee is to generate the interest among students towards the operations department. So in 2013 we started with our flagship. We started our flagship event, SCOPE, which stands for Supply Chain and Operations Exposition. In SCOPE, we started with guest lectures, then panel discussions, various competitions, quizzes, and many more things. So from 2013 it started, and it's still going on. So this is our flagship event, SCOPE. The second event which we conduct is Ops Diaries. So the idea behind Ops Diaries is peer-to-peer learning. So the students who have experience in operations domain, they basically share their experience among all the students. So the idea behind is that when you join a company as an operation manager, you should know what are the key responsibilities and what will be your job as operation manager. Because the theoretical knowledge or the book knowledge which we get in academics is good, no doubt. But when it comes to industry, it is a bit different. It's not exactly what we learn in the books. So Ops Diaries is basically that link between the books and the industry. So that's about Ops Diaries. And from this year, we also started the third event from Operations Forum, which is OpSites. It's basically the Operations Insights. It's basically the article sharing event or activity, we can say. So we share the articles among various platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. We also share them across emails with all first year and second year students. The idea behind OpSites is that to get the real picture of the industry, or what's the latest happening in the industry. Because as I said, in theoretical knowledge we can't cover everything. What's going on in industry, what are the latest trends in industry. So to get that knowledge, we introduced this new activity from this year. Then coming to my personal level, Operations Forum has helped me a lot to develop in terms of personality development, I would say. I can give you one example. Before joining this committee, I had a huge stage fear. It was till a great extent. So I couldn't speak on the stage. But when I joined this committee, there were many instances that I spoke on the stage, and I had no other option than that. So this committee gave me that courage to go on the stage and just talk in front of many people. So this is about the personality development. Then the last thing I would say, the most important learning in this committee. Being a convener, I would say the most important learning for me was that to allocation of resources. Now, when I say resources, it's not about the money or the budget. By saying resources, I mean the budget, the human resource, and the technical resources also. So to allocate properly them across various sectors is the most important thing, which I would say is my learning from this committee.